see what we can do. I'm going to pick you up here. And just to test the hamstring out, I'm going to come straight up. Now, getting some tightness into the hamstring. Any pain in the knee at this point?
No.
No. Good. And if we gently bend you.
Fine.
Fine. Good. A little clicky though. Yeah. Just once. Can you kick straight up into me from here, Steve? Kick. So we do have a weak rec fem. If we pin you in the rec fem tendon, kick up again. Kick. Better. Lower tendon and kick. So no help there, just the upper tendon. We'll do some origin insertion work to help clear up some of the tendon stress. You just let me know if it gets too ticklish.
No.
It is always the big tough guys that are the most ticklish. So you never know. And then with that, if you kick straight up into me again, that's much happier. I'm going to bend you up at the knee. Can you pull the knee up for me here? Pull. Good. And then kick up into me. Good. I'm going to turn you in. We'll isolate more the lateral part of the quad and kick. Good. And then kick. Good. Now you are a little tight in that internal rotation. Shocking. I'm going to adjust in through here. Deep breath in. Let there. Good. So that opens up better in internal rotation. And then if you try and hold the knee out, we'll test the sartorius. Hold. Could be better. I'm going to pin just the lower tendon in the sartorius here. Can you try that again for me? Good. And if I unpin you there one more time. Big difference. So same thing here. Shake you out. Try that again. Hold. Much happier. And then turning out. Does get, again, a little bit better. Not hugely. We're going to also test the psoas here. I'm going to try and press you down and out like that. Hold that up for me, Steve. Good. And then toes in. And I'm going to press in towards that other ankle. Try and hold that out. Perfect. You get that leg back. So test everything out. Through the left leg as well, just to make sure, so I'm going to bring you straight up. Again, some through the hamstring, not too bad. Can you kick up into here? Kick. Rec fem again, a little bit weak, and kick. And kick. Right, tendons don't help that much. Kick up again here, kick. Neurolymphatic connection does though. So I'm going to work under the rib cage here. You're doing great, because this is always one of the years for ones. Kick straight up again for me, kick. Good. I'm going to turn you out, we'll test the psoas, hold that there. Toes in, I'm going to press in. Good, so TFL's working. Bend that knee up for me. And pull your knee up. Pull. Good. Can you kick up anything here? Kick. Good. I'm going to turn you in and kick. Good. And then out. And kick. And let that fall out to the side. Hold that out to the side for me, Steve. Hold. So much better in through there than it was on the other side. We're going to test the adductors here, so knees up. Squeeze those knees together, squeeze. Yeah, you're a little weak there. Any pain with that one?
Not pain. I just felt like something was. No, not pain.
Felt off though?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you find your pubic symphysis for me? So where the pubic bone joins in through the front. And then squeeze those knees together again. Squeeze. And take that away. And squeeze. Yeah, that's definitely a little different. So we're going to reset the pubic symphysis. For this one, I'm going to have you push my hands together with your knees. You're going to win this one pretty easily. So squeeze. Good. Push me apart. Good. I'm going to add a little bit of resistance. Push me together again. Perfect. And apart. And together. Good. And apart. Good. And then one more. Give me all you got. Knees together. I'm going to give you a push, squeeze. So that will usually help gap that pubic symphysis so it resets and ends up more level. With that, squeeze the knees together again, squeeze. Also much happier, less weird feeling.
Yeah.
Good. From here, knees are going to come out straight. We're going to test the glute median, so I'm going to bring the left leg out to the side, hold that out to the side. Perfect. Right leg out to the side, and hold. Perfect. Alright. While you're here, I'm going to check your feet. And then Steve, I'm going to get you face down for me when you're ready. Knees are going to bend up here. Now, in through here, let's just get some pulling in through the hips. Any issues in through the hips or the knees here?
Not really, no.
Good. And can you raise with straight leg, that right leg up as high as you can for me? Perfect. And relax. Try the left when you're ready. Good. Maybe a little better on that left side. Does it feel easier side to side?
A little bit easier on the left, yeah.
I'm going to bend the knee up on the left and hold that up. I'm going to give you some pressure down. Hamstrings being a little tough. And hold that up on the right.
Oh,
Both hamstrings.
goodness.
All right. So I'm going to give you some pressure in through the right side joint. Can you hold that up again? Hold. Much better. Same thing over here and hold. Now, out of curiosity, can you raise the whole right leg up again? And try and hold that up. Hold. And with some help in through the SI joint, hold that up. Same thing on the left. Hold. And that one's actually fine as is. The other one I want to check is if I bring you here and give you some pressure through the sacrum, can you hold that there? Yeah. So that gets better. And one more time without any help. That's great. I'm going to get you on your side facing over this way. We'll adjust through the sacrum. Good. And deep breath in. Like that. Nice.
Got it.
And then I will get you facing over the other way. Just to there, perfect. Nice and stiff through this way.
Yep.
And I'll get you back face down when you're ready. Alright. So with that, if I bend you up here, can you hold that up for me? Much happier. Much happier. And then whole leg up. And hold. Good. All that's looking much better. These are going to bend up. Right. And we're going to get in and isolate different parts of the hamstring, so we'll isolate more of the medial part here. Hold that up for me, Steve. Good. And then toes. Good. And hold. Perfect. Can you point your toes for me here? That'll isolate more of the gastrocs. Good. And keep the toes pointed. And hold. Good. And keep it pointed. Good. We're also going to test the popliteus. So I'm going to have you try and hold your toes in. I'm going to try and pull you out. Hold. Good. And then relax. I'm going to stretch you here. Squeeze that in again one more time. Good. So you're good post stretch. 2. check the same things over here. So I'm going to turn you out. Hold that up for me. Good. Point the toes. Hold. Good. Keep them pointed. And hold. And hold. Perfect. Try and keep the toes in. I'm going to try and turn you out. Good. And relax. And hold that in again. Hold. Good. Alright. That's all looking pretty good. And through here, I'm going to borrow your knee again. We're going to start checking a little further up the spine. Can you try and hold that up? Good. 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 And that's where we lose you. So you get to relax. We're going to adjust right in through here. Deep breath in. Let that out. That was a good one. Good. There. And there. So you get to relax in. Head's going to come down a bit. We're going to get the CC in through here. And deep breath in. That would actually move before we even pushed. So. Same thing here. Breath in. Hold. A little louder. Alright, when you're ready, I'm going to get you face up one more time. Just work through the muscles and through the neck. Pressure's okay? You let me know if that changes.
Knee is feeling a hell of a lot better, and just got up and tested the squat. Pain's totally gone, so that's nice. And then my neck is just wide open, so I think I'll be able to shoulder check once again, which is always nice.